Hello everybody, Mr. Stan 913 here. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the plunger link faucet trip lever. This goes on your tub. Actually, this is what stops so you can fill your tub up. And we have an old one on our tub, and we just had our tub refinished by Miracle Method, and I will link that video down below. And my wife wanted to get a new plate and plunger for the tub. What you'll need for this is a towel and a screwdriver, and I'm going to show you how to replace that right now. So this is the old plate and lever from Gerber, and it comes with 2 screws, and I'm going to remove this from the tub. So I removed the old screws and I laid them down on the towel. And then you just slowly pull this up and the old plunger should come right out. And there it is. You see, it's just it's a little gooey and stuff like that. You know, my wife wanted to replace it because the plate started looking old and some of the finish is coming off. So let's put the new one on now. So here's the new one. It's brand new. And it doesn't come with screws, so you have to use the original screws that your other one has. So I'm going to drop it in and see how it goes. So I now have it installed. See, I just put the screws back on. I filled a little bit of water in there, and it's holding its water. And let's close it, open it, I mean. And the water's slowly going down. Looks like we got it. So that's how you install a new Gerber drain stopper for your tub. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to our page, please do so. We will keep continuing upload videos that you like. And thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.